Welcome to Yantra Technologies. In this present video, we are going to learn how to send SMS using a GSM module or a Bluetooth. In this present kit, we are provided with a GSM module. Here you need to insert a SIM card and preferably the 3G SIM, or at least if you are using 4G, then make sure that you are not putting any Geo SIM card. Geo won't work. As I'm having Geo SIM card, I am unable to send the messages using this. If you are using any other network, please make sure that the signal coverage is proper, then only it will send the SMS. Due to network coverage issues, we have bypassed this and we have given you another idea. Of course, with this also the code is provided in the manual, it is there. In addition to that, those who are not having this network coverage, they can still use their Android mobile along with this Bluetooth to send the same message. So we have provided this Bluetooth. Please make sure that you put it this way, not the other way. So this is wrong and the correct one is this. So please make sure that all pins are properly inserted here. And if everything is okay, it will start blinking. So now we have interfaced the Bluetooth module and we'll try to open the code program 3A sending SMS using Bluetooth. So we open this sketch and here we'll find a Bluetooth module configured as a software serial. The Arduino module configured as a software serial on pins 9 and 8 that will send the data serially through the Bluetooth. So here we need to have this Adafruit sensor library, DHT sensor library, which we have already installed in the previous example with DHT11. So we are actually trying to send the humidity and temperature data using a mobile phone. So what we need is an Android phone. Of course, in the same sketch we are provided, we are providing, just a minute, we have provided an APK file. So you can see SMS sending bluetooth.apk file. Please install this in your Android phone where you can actually see an interface to connect to the Bluetooth. So we are giving you this Bluetooth. This Bluetooth is coming with HC05 and some MAC ID which you need to search. So on your mobile phone, just you turn on the Bluetooth and try to search for available Bluetooth devices. It will show some alphanumeric number. Along with that, it will end with HC05. So try to find out whether this is available or not. Remember, this is not paired. If it is blinking continuously, if this is continuously blinking, means it's not paired. Once if you connect it to any device, it will start blinking for 3-4 seconds, not regularly. So first of all, you try to pair it with this, and sometimes it will ask you for pairing code. The default pairing code is 1234. 1234 you have to feed in while pairing. After you pair up, the app which we have provided, we have designed an app in my app inventor. So as I'm shooting with this, I'm unable to, just a minute. So this is the app which we have designed and we have given to you. You install this app and click on the button connect to Bluetooth. It will simply show you the Bluetooth devices available. Try to pair up with the HC05 with some alphanumeric numbers and then you will get connected button here. Immediately you should enter the phone number to which you are trying to send the SMS of this humidity or temperature. In this example, we are providing you humidity, temperature. You can send any SMS, whatever you wish. You can just send any string from this Arduino. That string will be conveyed to this SMS. So just click on the phone number and click on the save number. Now after you save this, if your Bluetooth is connected and if the code is running on the Arduino, it is going to send some strings. So whenever a string is received, that is going to be sent by the app to the recipient's phone number. So instead of using GSM directly, we are using a GSM of Android phone. As these 4G SIMs are not compatible, not all SIMs are compatible with this GSM modules. These are old ones. Latest SIM modules are not available because we are in the 4G technology. Mostly these services will operate on 2G and 3G and on some 4G networks, not all. Geo is not supported here. It may be due to network issue or maybe some other reason. I don't know. So we prefer to use this Bluetooth module to send the SMS. So use the app given to you and just you can send any desired data to any number. So let's upload the code and see what happens here. So in this we are using the code. So this code starts with the instances of liquid crystal I2C software serial. Remember, here we are using software serial port with the receiver on pin 9 of Arduino and transmitter on pin 8 of the Arduino. So here if I define BT as 9, 8 means 9 is the receiver, 8 is the transmitter for Arduino. It is with respect to Arduino. So it is going to create an instance of software serial, and we are using the normal serial port, which is UART 0 and 1 pins, and BT.begin at once again 9600 baud rate is going to set up the pins 8 and 9 for software UART. And this set time mode for BT, make sure that it won't stuck up in the loop. Sometimes this Bluetooth, if you don't define the set time mode, it is going to be in that loop and there may be 2 or 3 second delay for response from the client. So we are just restricting it to 10 milliseconds. If at all nothing is coming, it will come out and do the regular duty. And DHT.begin, make sure that your DHT sensor instance is created there. And then delay 200 milliseconds. This is for the DHT sensor. Minimum 200 milliseconds is required. Preferably 2 seconds will be good, but we are restricting it to 200 milliseconds at least. And then we are initializing the LCD, and then we are using LCD backlight to turn on the blue light. And then similarly banner. Banner means every time it is going to call a function. You please see this, we are using a banner function here, banner. So in this banner we have created LCD.clear, LCD.setCursor here, temp in the first line and humid in the second line. So basically we are trying to print the temperature label and humidity label in the first and second rows of the LCD screen. That's why instead of writing every time, we are just calling it by a function called banner. Now after that we have declared the float variable humidity and temperature, and we have used this timer. So we are using this timer for around 10 seconds to send the SMS. After every 10 seconds it is going to send the SMS, and meanwhile it actually shows the temperature and humidity on the LCD screen, but sends the SMS only after 10 seconds. And this is a normal DHT code. So we have created the instances for temperature and humidity sensor, and we are checking whether it is a number or not. If at all it is not a number, it will print an error, and if it is a number, it is going to print the temperature and it is going to print the humidity, same thing, and then both are going to be printed on the LCD. So until this, the code is similar to the previous example of interfacing DHT with LCD. Now comes the serial communication. So after printing this, we have used the code if millis is minus tim. So basically tim is initially 0, and we have put it for 10,000. 10,000 means 10 seconds. For every 10 seconds, this condition will be satisfied. Basically, millis returns the time in milliseconds since the start of the program. So when you go into the setup program, it starts the counter, and from there how many milliseconds have lapsed is returned by the millis function. So we have put tim equal to 0 initially. So every time, within 10 seconds it is going to get satisfied once. After 10 seconds it's going to get satisfied once, because millis minus tim means 0. Millis minus 0 is greater than 10,000. So after 10,000 milliseconds only it will go into the loop. After 10 seconds it will create a string dat temperature is dat plus. So string concatenation temp, we are adding temp variable, that is the temp obtained in the previous case. Please look at this. We have already stored the variable as temp, temperature, so the number will be concatenated. And then C, so space is given Celsius and then colon, and then humidity is, space is given data plus humidity and then percentage symbol, and all these things are printed in the Bluetooth serial, bluetooth.println dat, and then LCD is cleared, and then LCD.print sent to Bluetooth. So after completing the Bluetooth communication, it just says we have sent the data to the Bluetooth, and after 2 seconds once again the same banner will appear, and it will go back to the displaying of temperature and humidity. And we are once again resetting this tim equal to millis to make sure that initially tim was 0, after 10 seconds only it came into the loop. Now we will put the tim as the 10 seconds. So next time when it becomes 20 seconds, so 20 minus 10 will be 10. So at that instant this gets satisfied, and once again the data will be posted here. So like this the loop goes on. Let us apply this. As I am shooting with my mobile, I cannot show how the SMS is being sent, but after successful upload, I will show that every time LCD prints that it has posted to the Bluetooth. Now it's still uploading, and you can see it's still displaying the old program, the distance. Now it has started uploading, and you will see in a moment LCD will be off for a second after successful uploading. Yes, it's off. Now it's printing temperature and humidity. After 10 seconds, it is sent to the Bluetooth. Yes, sent to BT. So Bluetooth has received it. But remember, I haven't yet paired because I am shooting with the same mobile. Whatever app that is given to you, please install and try this. You will get the correct SMS. First time it will ask you for permission, app permission to send the SMS, and later on it will not ask any permission. It will automatically send the SMS to the recipient. Thank you.